Photographing homes for real estate requires attention to detail to capture the property's best features and attract potential buyers. Here are steps to effectively photograph homes for real estate. Prepare the space. Ensure the home is clean, decluttered, and well staged before taking photos. Remove personal items and unnecessary clutter to create a clean and inviting atmosphere. Use natural light. Opt for natural light whenever possible. Open curtains and blinds to let in sunlight, and schedule your shoot during the day when natural light is abundant. Avoid using flash, which can create harsh shadows. Capture key features. Highlight the property's key selling points such as spacious rooms, architectural details, updated features, and unique amenities. Focus on capturing the flow of each room and how spaces connect. Use proper equipment. Use a digital camera with a wide-angle lens to capture more of the room in each shot. Tripods can help stabilize the camera and ensure sharp, clear images. Shoot from different angles. Take photos from various angles to provide a comprehensive view of each room. Include shots from corners to showcase room dimensions and depth. Edit thoughtfully. Use photo editing software to enhance brightness, contrast, and color balance. Avoid over-editing, which can make photos appear unrealistic. Provide a virtual tour. Consider creating a virtual tour or slideshow to give potential buyers a complete view of the property. Virtual tours can enhance engagement and help buyers visualize themselves in the space.